So next is the Millman's theorem. So what do you mean by Millman's theorem? There will be number of voltage source with internal impedance. So internal impedance voltage source ku series ah irukanum kandipa internal impedance. Okay, so or in parallel means they can be combined with adha eppadi kondu varalam nama single voltage source which is equivalent to EMF and internal impedance. So nariye voltage source with internal impedance irukumbodhu adha single voltage source with series resistance ah kondu varum. Okay, so what is the formula? V dash equal to V1 G1 plus V2 G2 plus Vn Gn G1 plus G2 up to Gn or dash find பண்றோம். Okay, similarly current source இருக்கும்போது எப்படி எடுப்போம்? நம்ம current source-னா parallel இருக்கும் internal impedance. correct? Voltage source means impedance series இருக்கும். So இந்த மாதிரி இருந்ததுனா what is the formula? I1 R1 plus I2 R2 divided by R1 plus R2 G dash. Okay, so G dash find பண்ணு. So we can see the problem now. So while seeing the problem, using Millman's theorem, determine the voltage across 50 ohm resistor in the network shown. Okay, so listen, sorry, here there is no this 30 ohm. Okay, here this 30 ohm is not present. So it is the circuit, only 60 volt is series with 20 ohm resistor. This resistor is not present. 60 volt is series with 20 ohm and 100 volt is series with 10 ohm and here 50. So you want to find the voltage across this 50 ohm resistor. Okay, so how will you find the voltage? So here this idu eduthukalam because it is series. So iduvum eduthukalam, iduvum series ah irukku. So in order to find B dash, what is the formula? V1 G1, so two values there irukku, V2 G2 divided by G1 plus G2. So what is V1? 60 into 20 plus what is V2? 100 into 10, 100 into G1. That is very very important. G is conductance, that is 1 by R kudukanum. So 1 by 20 plus V2 value enna agudhu namakku, idu rise agudhu, idu enna agudhu minus 2 plus so இங்கே வரும்போது இப்படி போகும்போது என்ன ஆகுது? ட்ராப் ஆகுது. ஸோ அதனால் இதில் மைனஸ் 100 கொடுத்துருக்காங்க இன்ட்டு 1/10. ஓகே, இன்ட்டு 1/10. ஸோ 1/20 ப்ளஸ் 1/10. ஸோ வாட் இஸ் த வேல்யூ? 3 minus 10. ஸோ minus 7/0.15. The answer is minus 46.66. Okay, so now so listen, next you want to find R dash 1 by G1 plus G2. So what is the value? 1/20 plus 1/10. The answer is 6.66. So நமக்கு equivalent voltage and equivalent resistance value கிடைச்சிருச்சு. So simplified find பண்ணு. What is this is the voltage value and it is the equivalent resistance value 46.6 and this is 6.66 ohm and it is the load resistance. So you want to find the voltage across 50 ohm. So I is 46.66 divided by these two resistors. Okay, V by R. So V by R, I is equal to 6.66. What is the value? 0.82. So voltage kandupidikanum, V is equal to I into R. I find பண்ணியாச்சு. R is 50. So the answer is 41.17 volt. Okay, so we can see another one problem in AC circuit. Using Millman's theorem, determine the current in 3 plus J4 ohm impedance. Okay, so it is the AC circuit. So here V1 is this value series with the resistor. Okay, and this is the another voltage, so series with inductance. So what is the value voltage? அங்கே என்ன போட்டோம்? G போட்டோம். இங்கே ஏசி சர்க்யூட்னால Y போடணும். இம்பிடன்ஸுக்கு ரெசிப்ரோக்கல் என்னது? Y. ஓகே, ஸோ 1 by voltage source into 1 by 5, 50 into 1 by J5 divided by 1 by 5 plus 1 by J5. என்ன வேல்யூ கிடைக்கும் நமக்கு? 50 plus J50. சிம்பிளிஃபை பண்ணும்போது கிடைக்கும். இதே மாதிரி இம்பிடன்ஸும் ஃபைண்ட் பண்ணணும். 1 by Y1 plus Y2. Y1 என்னது? 1 by 5. Y2 1 by J5. So you got this answer. So now I is equal to V by Z. Okay, V by I is equal to that is if you convert this value, what is the answer? 70.7 that is angle 45 degree. Okay, so V by Z value, that is 5.5 plus J 6.5. So what is the answer? I is equal to 8.2. So now convert this to polar form. So you got the value 8.3 into angle minus 4.7. So listen, here the Z value is 2.5 plus J 2.5. Okay, so sorry, 2.5 plus J 2.5. So the answer is, after simplifying, you got 8.279 plus J 0.689. Next you can convert this to the polar form. Okay, so you got 8.3 angle minus 4.76.